Welcome back. So I'm using the lead today, as you can see. I'm casting them down to 200 centimeters per length. It is 545 centimeters long, so what, 5.4 meters. So the extra, I don't know, I worked out 6 inches overlap, so that's about 15 mil. Which you'll soon see. I'm just cutting the rest of these, so 2 more of these 200mm strips. I think it's actually about 197, but you know, it's a bit, well, the more the better. And I'll be showing you how I attach it to a roof. Yeah, I'll get back to you once I've cut it out. Okay, so I've cut the lengths. I think that one's got a bit of leftover lead on the end of it, which I'll trim off in a bit. But what I'm doing now is just shaping it around the peak. I don't know the technical term for the top of the pod, but I'm doing that. It's always a good idea to use gloves. Yeah, when doing this. I mean, I don't do much lead work ever. Like, this is my first ever time using it, so I'm not that worried. But I think in future, I'll get some gloves on to minimise the risk of lead poisoning. So yeah, all I'm doing is shaping it round, trying to get it even on each side, and there'll be a 6-inch overlap on top of that piece, which I'll be showing you in just in a minute. Yeah. If I haven't said already, this is code 4 thickness, and it's 150mm wide by 6 meter long roll. So I'm just about to do the overlap here. So I measured, not quite. Hang on, it needs to. Yeah, well, there's about 6 inches. Something like that. I'll use a square in a minute. I can do it with one hand. Yeah, I'll do that in a minute. And I'm literally just going to drag and drop until it's somewhere near, and carry on with the last piece over there. So yeah. Okay, so I just got the last piece on, as you can see. It's not 100% straight yet, because this is just to get the general shape. I'll be using like a wooden mallet or rubber mallet just to get the finer details. So I've drawn a chalk line across each join of in the wooden frame, just so it keeps it nicely spaced out with the tech screws. I know there is another way you're meant to do this, but to save time, I'm just doing it like this. This is my excess, which might come in useful for another pod or touching around if we bother doing round the windowsills and stuff. We probably won't do that, but yeah. I've got a bit of a cold if you haven't noticed. And yeah, I'll go and find the tack screws and get this screwed in. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Okay, so I've got the drill and the screws. I've given it a bit more of a tap, but hopefully these will pull it down a bit more. I'll be finishing it up after I've had it all screwed in. So if I get started, probably start at this end and work my way down. You might see this one's on join, so I'm just going to do them here-ish. They're not the best screws, I mean, but at least they've got the seal on them. So when you screw it down, it'll compress and have a watertight seal. Well, that's a plan anyway. Hopefully I don't go through any lighting cables or anything. That's another thing. I have no idea if I haven't or haven't when I cladded this side, but we'll soon find out once we plug it in. But yeah, I'll carry on with this and probably the next clip will be the finished product. There's not much to it really. I just watched a YouTube tutorial, and my dad, who's done a lot of building in his day. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so there we go. It's on. I'm just gonna climb back up with the rubber malice and even this out a bit. But yeah, looks alright. I mean, they're not the nicest screws, but they'll do the job. And I was down there a minute ago, and you can't see the lead anyway, so it's a bit frustrating really. But at least it'll keep the rain out. I think in future I'll use a slightly wider piece. But then again, the future ones will be like an arch there, then 2 modules either side, so your kitchen and your like living, sleeping area on the left. So that should have more intricate lead work on it, rather than this bodgery. But yeah, I don't know if this counts as a whole video. I can't remember what I recorded last time. If I don't add in any more clips, I hope you enjoyed the video. If not, I'll probably be cladding the interior, but I can't be bothered. It's Sunday and I'm a bit tired. Might go down to the pub. I think that's quite a good shout actually. But yeah, hope you're enjoying it, and if you want to subscribe, feel free to. I'm not really that bothered if you do. It is good, but as long as you enjoy the video, that's all I care about. And yeah, I'll see you next time, I guess, which will be, yeah, furnishing the interior. Exciting times, that. But yeah, I'll see you next time.